Rear-facing only infant car seats are a common choice for parents of newborns. They're easily identified by the handle and the base and can be used without the base. On this particular seat, we installed it by connecting the lower anchors located in the seat bight between the vehicle seat back and the seat cushion. We rotated the handle on the base to open the belt tensioning arm. We removed the latch straps from the storage bin, and we attached both latch connectors routed through the belt guides, making sure they weren't twisted, and hold on the latch strap to take the slack out. Now just enough pulling to make it snug, because by closing the belt tensioning arm, this fully tightens the system. Okay, Megan, we have your infant car seat installed. It's nice and tight. When we pull it side to side, it's not moving more than an inch. Are we ready to place your son inside the car seat and buckle him in?
Yeah.
All right, let's get him in there safely. First, extend the harness straps fully and place the baby inside the carrier. Place the harness straps over the shoulder and be sure they're at or slightly below the shoulders. Next, buckle the straps by the crotch and be sure the stalk of the crotch strap is just forward of your baby. The child should never be sitting on top of the crotch strap. Buckle the chest clip and pull the tail at the bottom of the seat to tighten the harness straps.